Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a silly movement routine I came up with the other day, but I like it, so I just want to share it with you. So I was doing walking curls the other day because I wanted to, look fancy. And so what I was doing is I was curling and taking a step, and then curling and taking a step, and I was working my way across the room. And then I wanted to find, man, I'm working the guns, I wanted to find an interesting way or a similar way that I could work my triceps, with the gait pattern. Because again, I'm walking curls. I'm working the gait pattern here as I do the curls. So I was like, man, what can I do? And then I thought, well, maybe I'll crawl. So I came up with the Triceps Crawl. And it kind of looks something like this. So you get down on the forearm, push up, down on the forearm. So now I was crawling, working the gait pattern, and I was trying to get more tricep involvement by pushing up as I would walk. And I enjoyed it. It was a fun, novel way to strength train, to build up the guns on both sides while I was working the gait pattern. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I enjoyed it. You might not enjoy it as much, but if you like looking fancy, there's something to it. So again, you're just crawling, making those triceps work a little bit harder than they otherwise would. And they're working when you crawl anyway, but that's fancy. And it feels good to be fancy. Feels good to feel good, feels good to be fancy once in a while. Anyway, give that a shot. Thanks so much for indulging me and putting up with me. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.